Now we'd like to share with you the story of another incredible, iconic brand, and that brand is Adidas.
The most important store we have in the world is .com, period. And I think a lot of companies struggle in the transformation from brick and mortar to a much more hybrid model.
It's not a question of if or when, it's happening now. And we need to lead and be able to respond to those consumer expectations immediately.
The age of subpar performance in digital is gone because the people who are now engaging in those experiences, they know the speed of a site. They know what good looks like.
So if you're not meeting their expectation at that first point, you've lost them straight away.
So we need a partner that knows what to do, that's creative, that will engage with us and really understand our business. And that's where the entire technology platform from Salesforce gives us a competitive advantage.
This generation, they expect something now. They want instant gratification. They want to explore, they want to discover.
They get inspired by what a Kenny does, what a Paul Pogba does, which has no borders. Our primary interface is now through digital media. There's no TV advertising.
The fact that there is so much noise out there and there is so much data and there's so many stories, putting them at the heart of our brand and what we create allows us to be much more relevant.
We want to create the best sports company in the world. We want to be the creator brand.
That access to global profiles, global brands at any time in any way is what consumers are looking for. So we need to bring that vibrant brand experience to life through every digital touch point.
And that's where Salesforce helped us to enable that proactive interaction with the consumer.
We moved from a world where you would spend 6 months, 9 months in building a big capability and you'd launch it and you'd celebrate. And you now get into a cadence where we actually have Black Friday, Cyber Monday, constantly throughout the year.
We almost grew 20% in the first 6 months of this year. We grew our .com 60%. We grew in America 80%.
We're capturing people online. We're driving traffic. The brand heat is on fire. And that marriage of Adidas and Salesforce allows us to be reactive, proactive, and design and evolve for the future.
The capability to roll out products and influence trends is immense. And the connection basically makes that happen overnight. So right now, we can actually get the true power of being a global company by using Salesforce technology. It's, super exciting.
Wow. So legendary, this epic brand and this transformation into this leader in digital commerce. So I know you're dying to learn more about how that transformation happened, and to bring that story to life is the incredible Anna Rosamond. Thank you. Anna, please.
Thank you, Tony. How is everyone? Do you guys like my look? Right? This is an amazing room, and Tony is 100% right. Adidas is an epic brand. And what they are doing is just taking a look at that fourth industrial revolution and charging ahead. What they are doing is redefining consumer engagement and setting a new standard for the customer experience. And what's great is that they're doing it with Salesforce. So I get to walk you through some of the features and capabilities and products that they're using, and then show it to you with Tim in action. So the first step on Adidas's customer engagement journey is Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud is the world's #1 marketing platform. We have an entire set of capabilities, products, and tools from Journey Builder all the way to Einstein Vision. And they are designed to make sure that every single one of your marketers is able to meet your customers on any channel. So that's advertising, email, social, text. Wherever your customers are, you can meet them there. But there's actually one product that I really want to call out, and that is the Data Management Platform, or DMP. So for those of you who might be a little bit less familiar with what a DMP is designed to do, it's really a great technology for marketers. They're able to take a look at all of their customer data and start segmenting them into audiences. Now, I can tell you as a marketer that there are lots of fun parts to the job. Like, we get to speak on stage and wear cool clothes. Tim's got a great outfit, too. And then there's the creative part of the job. But for the marketers in the room, you know that the rubber hits the road when you can talk about metrics and you can talk and prove ROI. So for a marketer, being able to understand what your customers are looking for and figure out what they're interested in makes it a lot easier to think about, how am I going to invest resources into campaigns? What type of content should I be creating? Really create an effective marketing strategy. Now, what's great about the data management platform is that we also have this partnership with Google Analytics. So every marketer at Adidas and all of our customers is able to get a more complete picture of campaign performance and get better insight into their customers. So Marketing Cloud is the first step on Adidas's transformation journey. And the second destination is, in some ways, one of the most important and one of the most fun. This is the purchase point, and Adidas builds it with Commerce Cloud. Now, using Commerce Cloud, Adidas has been able to build a beautiful digital storefront for every single one of their consumers, for every single one of their shoppers. And they built it once. What did they do after they built it? They deployed it globally, every currency and every language. And Adidas is not just global, they're growing to the tune of 66% a year. It's a lot. So Adidas, like many of us here, and all of us here, I should say, know that commerce and the purchase point is just one step of the customer experience. But a really great customer experience is nurtured over time. And that is why Adidas is using Service Cloud. So Service Cloud is the world's #1 service platform. And with Service Cloud, Adidas is able to give its customers choice. How do they want to get support? How do they want to be engaged with? Do they want to go online and access 24/7 self-service? Do they want to make a phone call? Do they want to send an email? Do they want to engage in a text? Do they want to troubleshoot with a bot? It is up to your customers. And I know that there are a lot of Service Cloud customers in this room, and I'm also willing to bet there are a few people who haven't quite started their journey with Service Cloud. And so for you, we actually have Service Cloud Essentials. So Service Cloud Essentials is built for small to medium businesses who are looking to get started with Service Cloud. And you start in Trailhead. So you go ahead, start with Trailhead, take a trail, understand and learn the product, and go live right from there. Now, I've talked a little bit about the products and the capabilities that Adidas is using, but it is so much better to show than it is to tell. And Tim is going to help me by doing this. So Tim is, come on out here. Tim and I look like good, right?
What do you think?
We match. Twins.
Are we done?
Oh, yeah, we're done.
Okay, all right,
Okay.
sorry. Okay.
Good work. So on his way into this amazing amphitheater here today, Tim was wanting to do a little bit of online shopping, and so he pulled out his phone. And before we get too much further, I just want to share that this entire demo will be delivered from his phone. So he pulled out his phone, and he's looking around Adidas.com. He's looking around the website, checking out products, looking for new trends. And what you don't see happening is that data management platform at work. It's in the background. Try to learn a little bit more about Tim. What's relevant to him? What's interesting to him? How can it make sure that every experience really speaks his language? So as he's going through this, he could probably go on all day. But in reality, there are distractions. And it looks like Tim is getting one right now. Cato, his BFF, his other BFF, because obviously twins, has just sent him a text. Oh my gosh, Tim, did you know that the Pharrell album just dropped? And for those of you who don't know Tim, he's the biggest Pharrell fan. Of course, he's going to read this article.
Yeah.
So for the e-commerce folks in here, you're probably thinking, oh, did Adidas lose Tim? Is he gone forever? Is he gone for the rest of the day? Well, you weren't paying attention. Those marketers at Adidas, they have been able to use the data management platform and Einstein to go ahead and re-engage with him. It's pretty good. And they're not sending him an ad for Adidas baby shoes, although they are adorable. They are on the web, seriously, go check it out. They're not sending him an ad for baseball caps. They are sending him a piece of content that brings together his favorite brand and his favorite musician. Now, this is great, and this is not just on his phone. This is on his laptop. This is on his iPad. But I'm going to stay true to my promise. We're going to go back to the phone. So, of course, did you know that Pharrell was designing shoes for Adidas?
I didn't.
But,
No.
you want to learn more?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Good. He's going to click in. And where Tim is going to land is a beautiful, branded page built on Commerce Cloud. Now, Tim, I'm going to ask you to stop for a second because I want to step out of the demo.
Okay.
You might be wondering, Anna, we just saw that you guys have laptops and iPads at Salesforce. Like, you have other devices. Why are you doing this entire demo on your mobile phone? And the answer is that 58% of commerce is done on the mobile phone today. You have to meet your customers where they are at. And your customers are using iPhones, they're using Androids, they're using Pixels, they're working from their phone. Luckily for us and for Tim, Adidas has it covered. They are building mobile first, and this experience isn't just beautiful, it is also targeted. This isn't the Adidas homepage. This is the Pharrell landing page. They're getting everything out of the way from what Tim wants to experience. So, okay, you can shop now. Okay.
Thank you.
So Tim clicks Shop Now. And what you're going to see is Einstein at work. This is Einstein predictive sort. He does not have to look for a needle in the haystack. Those Pharrell shoes are bubbled right up to the top. So you can go ahead and pick a pair of shoes.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. What are you going to do? What color?
I'm gonna go with these teal ones. Those caught my eye right away. Those look sweet.
I think you're a summer complexion. I don't know if teal's the right.
Believe
It's your shoes. It's your shoes.
Okay, thank you.
So he picks his shoes. He goes ahead and picks the right size. And what you'll notice is that he is not reciting a 16-digit credit card number or a 4-digit security code or even an expiration date. He is able to pay with Apple Pay because it is built right into Commerce Cloud. So fast, so easy. This is what we expect as consumers from every experience, B2C and B2B.
So sorry. This is awkward. I just realized it had my office address as the shipping address. Mm-hmm. I think I need to change that.
We've practiced this. I mean, we're on stage. There's a lot of people.
Oh, I didn't. Oh, hey, guys.
Luckily,
Sorry, yeah.
Luckily,
okay.
Tim,
yeah.
Service Cloud has us covered. Because Service Cloud and Commerce Cloud are brought together on the customer success platform, you can go ahead and update that shipping address right from here.
Oh.
But you can email, you can phone. Considering we have an audience, let's show them the chat. This is pretty great. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to Audibot. Adidas is using Einstein bots to power their service interactions. And because Einstein bots have access to all the data in Salesforce, including Tim's order data, they're very quickly and easily able to update his shipping address. I don't know, maybe change that shoe color.
Really?
I know what you wear. Like, it won't go. Just make an update.
All right, well, it changed my shipping address. Let's see what else this bot can do. Let's see, okay.
Let's see what we got here.
Oh, sweet.
Awesome. Make that change. Good job.
Are these better?
Yes, for sure. I love collegiate gold. That's the look.
All for you, Anna. Everything for you. Okay.
So some of you might be wondering, oh, this is great. This is great for Adidas, right? They're a consumer brand. They're fashion. People are always changing their shoe color. What do Einstein bots mean for me? It's a question we get asked a lot. And the number one answer is, think about what it would mean to have 24/7, always-on service. And specifically, Einstein bots are awake that much. They are great for simple, repetitive tasks. And the reason we see our customers embracing them is because it means that your field or your service agents are able to focus on those more complicated, more nuanced, more interesting problems that the bots can't quite handle. So the next question people ask is, okay, it's great. I get how bots can be helpful. How hard is it to implement? Well, I just want to share that Einstein bots follow the Salesforce playbook. They follow the formula. You are able to build Einstein bots declaratively, which means you can build them with clicks, not code. So let's actually go back to Audibot. Oh, what's this? So you updated your shipping address, you changed the shoe color, but it looks here that Einstein product recommendations, which is a part of Service Cloud, is actually serving up a recommendation to Tim to help him update his look, really complete it. This is great. I've always wanted someone to help me, get ready in the morning. But this actually is a service experience turning into a commerce experience, completely seamless, putting Tim right at the center. And when he wants to pay, like you just saw, he's able to pay directly with Apple Pay, completely seamless. So, no, thank you, Audibot. So Tim, thank you so much. I can't wait to see your shoes.
Anna, thank you.
And for everyone here, I know that you've been able to just see this experience, and Adidas is doing so much more. You might be thinking, I loved what I saw. How do I get started? And what we've done is we've actually created a trail mix for you. A trail mix is like a playlist for all of the information for the products that you saw today, Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Service Cloud. So just text Adidas to this number, and you will be on your way. Thank you so much. Tony, back to you. Great.
Okay, Anna and Tim, that was an incredible demo. That's an amazing digital commerce experience.